We're asked to find the values of sine 2 theta, cosine of 2 theta, and tangent of 2 theta, given the fact that theta is between 0 and 90 degrees, and that sine of theta is 2/5. We want the exact value, so we can't just use a calculator to get the inverse sine of 2/5 and see what comes out. We need to go through the information that was given. So our first thing is sort of to build the other trig functions of sine and cosine, which we can do relatively easily because we know from Pythagorean identity that sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta is 1. So cosine squared theta is 1 minus sine squared theta, which is 1 minus the quantity 2/5 squared, or 1 minus 4/25, or 21/25. And therefore cosine of theta is square root of 21/25. We can take the positive root because we know that we're in first quadrant. Right? First quadrant means that cosine theta must be positive, so we end up with something like cosine theta is the square root of 21 over 5. And then the tangent is, as always, just sine theta over cosine theta, which is 2 over 5 over root 21 over 5, which is 2 over root 21. To sum up, we have that sine of theta is 2 over 5, cosine of theta is root 21 over 5, and tangent of theta is 2 over root 21. And in other classes, you might be asked to simplify 2 over root 21, but I'm going to leave it as it is for now. Now we want to find each of the double angles, so we might say sine of 2 theta, which we remember is 2 sine theta cosine theta. So from our values is 2 times 2 over 5 times root 21 over 5, which comes out to be 4 root 21 over 25, which really can't be simplified any, and is done. And then we have that cosine of 2 theta is, and there are 3 forms for this. The sort of root form is cosine squared theta minus sine squared theta, which looks like the Pythagorean theorem, but is not, and you should be careful of it. And that is then going to be 21/25 minus 4/25, or 17/25. And then finally we'll have tangent of 2 theta, which I'll put on another page because I'm running out of room. So tangent of 2 theta, which is 2 times the tangent of theta, or 1 minus the tangent squared of theta, which for us is 2 times 2 over root 21 times 1 minus the square of 2 over root 21, which, isn't particularly pretty. We get 4 over root 21 over 1 minus 4 over 21. And then you can do a lot of further processing. We can say that the bottom is going to be 17/21s, and then we have to change flip, so 4 over root 21, and then we change to multiplication and we flip the bottom guy. And then we have only one last thing for simplification, which is that 21 over root 21 becomes just root 21 on the top. So our final answer is 4 root 21 over 17. Again, to stress that simplification is sort of extra, and that honestly this would in this class be an acceptable answer.